I am here today. Like I had mentioned in a prior video, I have today my Spellbinders main kit to share. It finally arrived to me. I'm so excited to open it up. So this is kind of like my unboxing, but there's so many unboxings out there. I'm probably not, there's so many that to see that I'm not going to open it up and share it in detail, but I just wanted to share a little bit of it. This is the small die of the month, and look how pretty that is. I love that, and I have a couple of ideas for making some stamps, some cards with some stamps that I have using this die. And then there is the large die of the month that I also got this month, and it's got this little border, and look how pretty this border right here is. Look at the flowers and the little leaf here. There's just beautiful, so much detail in there. And then I got the main kit, and they always send me this little card that gives me some ideas of what to do. Just little ideas on how to use the dies. And they have this whole pack of die cuts. It says Beach Day. And there's a whole, and I got to take these out later carefully because they do make quite a mess if I don't take them out with much care. So we have those, and then always comes with a roll of tape. And oh, how cute this is. It's got some little seashells and some cardboard stickers. Oh, and some more in the back. There's a mermaid. How cute are those? And I always have, I tell you, always have supplies left over when I'm done using a kit. And I need to start using some of those extra supplies up. And then it comes with 10 card bases and 10 envelopes. And then it comes with some foam, little things that give dimension, foam stickies, and some bling, some gemstones. I love those colors. They're so pretty. Very, very pretty. And here is the stamp set for the kit. The beach theme with the shells. I've been wanting some of these shell stamps. So here I finally got some. I was going to order some actually, and then I decided against it because then I saw this one was revealed and I saw that there was shells in it. And here's this one. Some more. These are puffy. They've got a little bit of dimension to them. And there's quite a number of them. Yeah, these are going to make way more than the 10 cards for sure. And here is the paper pack, and here are some of the designs that come in there. And as I make the cards, I will be sharing more detail on about the kit. So I'm just going to do this quick. Oh, look, there's a excuse me. There's an anchor in here. Oh, how cute is that? That is adorable. An anchor and some other little bits and pieces in there. And then they've got their cardstock, and I did see something new this month. Yep, they have silver this month instead of gold. I love that silver. And then they've got this one down here, which is the brown bag color. And then they've got a cream one, and a peach one, and a light pink. And then they've got a darker pink, and a blue, a green, and a dark green. Very, very pretty. Oh my goodness. There's a lot of fun times in these kits. And I tell you, I have been doing my 2-year no-buy of crafty stuff, but I don't know if I ever mentioned the kits were, but the kits that I get monthly were not part of that no buy. I kept getting the kits. And just having these kits and not buying any extra crafty stuff, I was able to more than stay busy with doing crafts, paper crafts and whatnot. So these kits are full of ideas and supplies, and the small and large die of the month are extra separate kits in of themselves. You can get this and this by themselves, and not, you can get just this die and just this die by itself. You don't have to, it's not part of the kit. But I did get them this month because they're so stinking cute that I wanted to use them. Oh, my camera was off center there for a little bit. There we go. But anyhow, that is all I have for today. Oh, wait a minute. No, it's not all I have for today. I've gone on 6 minutes already. I also received my Etsy order. Oh my goodness, I've been waiting for this. This order took the scenic route, and it's the Distress Oxide ink with Distress Oxide refill. And then I've got some more vintage photo for distressing the edges of my pages for my little traveler's journals and my little flip books. And then I got some actual distress ink and the distress ink refill for the salvaged patina. So those things finally came in. This order took the scenic route for sure. But I'm definitely going to go ahead and open those up, and I have some projects that I've been wanting to use these in. So those will get used right away. Thanks for watching, you guys, and thanks for sticking with me. And if you have any questions, comments, please post them down below, and I will do my best to come back and answer those questions for you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye now.